Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from sunny Piqua, Ohio. What's that smell in the air? I believe that smells like spring. We're getting real close to spring and camping weather. Everybody's getting anxious to get out. Cabin fever's got them. The next few days are going to be wonderful, bright, warm. Stop over at Paul Sherry's and take a good hard look at some of these great campers. Right now I'm going to feature for you this 29BH. It's a Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf with the limited edition package. You can see the diamond plate on the front. That's going to protect the front of the camper. It's got a really deep slide. This unit's equipped with electric stabilizer jacks. No more cranking the jacks, Dad. It's got the electric tongue jack. Boy, that's important. Aerodynamic aluminum front end. Durable, beautiful, and aerodynamic. Ample pass-through storage on this unit. Storage on both sides. The new digital TV antenna. Big radius door. You'll never rip the underneath of your awning. Big grab handle for helping old folks like me get in and out. Easy lube axles. Power awning with LED lights in it. It opens up. It's got a really cool look. There's an LP valve. You can put your gas grill outside, bring it with you. An outside kitchen. Hot and cold water. Mounting place for a TV if you need it. Nice size electric refrigerator. And here on the back, you got a spare tire. You got a 4-inch square bumper. You can add stuff to if you need. And you got the cargo carrier. Firewood, your grill, bicycles. Most of the companies have gone to these extended gutters, and boy, that makes it nice. There's our mascot. Come on inside. Again, folks, this is a 29BH. Sleep up to 9 people. Your kid's bunk room. There's awesome amount of storage. A ladder for your little one to get up. There's for your TV or your kids' electronic games. It's nice and light. Wood blinds in the slide room. Fiber blinds in the master bedroom. U-shaped dinette with a bunch of storage underneath. Great storage here. A little dark. I hope you can see in there. But the camera adjusts better than my transition glasses. Large windows. Definitely half-ton towable, safety glass, TV mount, DVD. Here's your AM/FM stereo, CD player. More storage here. Beautiful vinyl floor. There's a couple things that they manufacturer likes to talk about. I think I've hit most of these. Solar prep and wiring. It doesn't mean it comes with, it just means it's wired for. Upgraded countertops, self-adjusting brakes, radial tires. I think there's still a few companies out there using bias tires. And it's definitely half-ton towable. Nice combination of colors. Look at this deep sink. Sink cover and range cover. It's a deep country style sink with a Bowen style faucet. Microwaves up, 2-door gas electric nor cold refrigerator. It's a 3-phase converter. Now the converter, just in case you don't know, does about 3 or 4 things. It'll charge the batteries when you're plugged into a landline or you're plugged into your tow vehicle. It changes AC power to DC power because a lot of the lights are DC power. The water pump is DC power. The fan to move your furnace air is DC power. And it charges the battery, converts, and it's a 3-phase, so that when you leave your camper plugged in for a long time, it's not going to overcharge your battery. Take a peek in the master bedroom. Hard pocket doors for your master bedroom. It's going to give you the privacy that you need. A light for either side. There's a plug for either side. Ample storage. Got a coat closet and a cupboard. These mattresses have come a long way. You got storage underneath your bed, a whole bunch. Your awning, slide room, controls and lights. This vehicle dry weight is 6782, and you can carry almost 1,000 pounds. Folks, come on out early this spring and take advantage of the great deals we have here at Paul Sherry's. We have a great crew of extremely trained and mature salespeople, been in the industry for many years. Hope to see you soon.